Hi guys, welcome back. I am popping on to do a layout for the scrap room, and I am using it's called Mixing the Kits is what this layout is, where I take goodies from Shots of Life kit, from the pattern paper add-on, and the embellishment kit. So what I have, these are all of these great papers from the pattern paper add-on, which I have not gotten into yet, right? Then I've already used up 2 pieces from the Shots of Life kit, and these are the 2 that I have left, which are gorgeous. And I can see how some match and some would be harder to use together. Great. Now I also have this 12 by 12 Simple Stories sticker sheet. I've got some Valentine stickers. I have got, wait, there's more. I've got this hilarious 6 by 12 set of stickers. I mean, it's a worm with a top hat, people. That's funny. Stencil. I've got some die cut bits and another sticker sheet from Simple Stories Happy Hearts. Great. What I think I'm going to concentrate on, though, is the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Weather Garden. Great. So let me put these extra papers aside. I do have this stencil, which is Amazeballs by the Simple Stories Weather Garden. It is called Branch and Butterfly, and I think it is gorgeous. All right, let me get this out because I have to make some decisions there. Then let's see, that means I can bring in with 0 issues this piece here. So I have, let's see what we have. This one's called Beautiful Life, and it's a gorgeous background, butterfly bits. And then this one has, it's almost like a jade color with all kinds of butterflies. Don't know which one I want to use. This one is called Journal Elements, so a really great plaid, and the back side has all kinds of journal elements. Very compelling. And then this one is 3 by 4 elements. Okay, so we have another element thing, but it's 3 by 4. That is awesome. That is awesome. Okay, so got to figure out what to do there. I have this. Great. I have this that I am digging. Now, pieces in here, like I could use this right here, but most of this is kind of whimsical and fun. Let me see if anything in here. Now, once again, this is kind of a different vibe to the Vintage Weathered Garden. I might be able to get some wordy bits in, but I am really concentrating on this. I could use like this tab right here, but not really the other ones if I'm trying to keep a little true to these colors. So, fine. What I think I also want to do is play along with the Freaky Fast Friday formula. And what that means is you have one 12 by 12 background, right? Then you get, I have to use a 2 by 10, a 1.5 by 8, a 3 by 11, a 6 by 8, and a 2 by 3. And I'm going to see if I can do that with just 3 pieces of paper. I don't know. It's an idea. Now, we have that. The other thing is I know that I want to get some of the stencil in. So I went into the stash area and grabbed a couple of glazes and things. I'm thinking this Vicky Bouton one. I can pull them totally from stash, not in the kit. I just want to use my stencil. I mean, I could also come in with ink, which would be easier and smarter. Maybe I'll come in with both. Okay, so that's what I know so far. So what I have to do, oh, and let me show you my photos. These are pics of my oldest daughter. She was in Vegas recently, and her and her boyfriend went to a French restaurant. The word on the street is she actually tried snails, which for her is a big deal. But I thought the kind of muted colors of the nighttime restaurant worked with this collection. She's also wearing my black leather jacket, and it looks like she has on kind of a gold colored dress. So all of that really works, and her hair is golden. Awesome. Now I know I'm going to see what the sizes are for some of these to see if they will work for our Freaky Fast Friday stuff. So I'm gonna work with some of them. So which background, guys? I like this one. And I like this one. Oh, but I like that. Maybe, okay. I think this will be my background because I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I'm gonna see how well I do with this, and I'll be back after I cut up my pieces. Okay, I have my pieces cut. I do. So let's see what we have. This is my 2x3, and it's not a clean bottom, but you know, I can tuck that. This is my 1.5 by 8, and I have a notch out of it, so I'll have to cover that with something. Not a big deal. This is my 6 by 8, this really nice like golden block, and there's great pieces there, but they must be sacrificed. This is my 2 by 10, and that's my 3 by 11. I love this paper. Love it. Love it, love it. Love this. I'm deciding if I want to detail cut them out or not. Now, I also was really feeling this piece, and I may be adding that in as well. I'm not sure. There's all these things. I just want to use all of the things. I'm also going to go ahead and detail cut out these two little buggies that were part of our papers. Okay, we have all that. Now remember, I still have this big old sticker sheet, which makes me super lucky. And I also have this. So what I think I'm going to do, because I kind of know how my layout's going to go, I think I'm going to, go ahead and just use some ink that always sits on my desk. Not a big deal. And I haven't even thought through exactly how my stuff is going to go, but I know right here I'm going to need some, so I'm going to, don't worry, I'm going to move it in a second. Don't worry. Just want some viney bits sticking out from this great stencil. I'm so excited we got a stencil, guys. So just some simple something kind of in the background, but not any big deal. That's what I'm going for there. So it's almost like a shadow. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, love it. And I want to make sure, though, while I'm doing that, that it doesn't end on any harsh edge either, though. Just going wherever. Pretty. Ooh, I like that. Look at how well it goes. And I want to get some of the same idea kind of coming down this way. Ooh, gosh. And I like this one vine that's on here. So we'll just go all the way up with our little viney friend. So yeah, I kind of ended up pivoting and wanting to use ink on this because I thought it'd be so pretty. And look at how, pretty, pretty, pretty. That can go there. It's coming out there. It's coming out over there. That's, you know, going somewhere. And then, is there anything else? Can use a little bit more of a viney thing going that way. I'm feeling like I need a little bit over here, which is not a big deal. I like this one. This is such a usable stencil. I feel like I'm going to end up being able to use it on so many things. Okay, that's it for stencil work. And now that I started doing some inky stuff, I'm going to ink the outside edges, ink all of my pieces. I have to matte my photos in something. I don't even know if I have anything left. And I'll be back in a minute. So I inked my edges, cut out my little buggy bits, and I pretty much have the setup I like. I like the ink coming off. I might put a little bit more down here and a little bit more down there as soon as I get my pieces in place. But, oh, I have to use this still. How about right there? And it covers up that little notched piece we talked about. Okay, so I have my pieces on. Question, do I fishtail banner here and here? I think I would like that. So I think I'll fishtail banner a couple of the pieces. Now, with that theory, I like it like this. Okay, so I'm going to fishtail banner in those couple pieces, get a little bit more of the vines coming out now that I know how I want this to be looking. And then we legit just get to come and decorate up with these goodies. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, so let's see what we have. I have all of my pieces cut. Oop, I was doing just a little extra inking and I didn't want to pull up the pieces, so I used a little washi to mask it off. There we go. All right, so like all the bindy bits coming off, I like that they're coming off in 3 places. I think we should look at the title. Ooh, absolutely amazing. J might pop really nicely. Let's see. Because of the yellowy colors. Yeah, I think we're going to do that. So I think I better get some Kids Craft Foam, pop it up. Let's see if we can get a nice skinny little piece so I can wind it around a little bit. Pop it up. So I think that would be cute. And the whole rest of this thing is now just like decorating. Just decorative bits. Whatever is pretty and wants to go wherever. Now, I have done lots of inking, so I'm going to continue doing that so it looks like my stickers belong with the rest of it. Oh, the sun just came in. Let me shut my blinds really quickly because you guys are getting a nice striped effect. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Back to our regularly scheduled program. Okay. Now come to think of it, I have a little bit of foam up on that one, so let's be smart about it and take this piece off. You can use that in a minute so that that sticker piece can go right on that one. There we go, cute, cute. You know, it would work a lot better if we used adhesive. There we go, that does work better. Okay, so I'm digging that, guys. That works really well, and it goes in the fishtail banner, and really nice match. Now, I do still have my cute little, let me come up just a little bit. There we go. I have my 3 little butterflies. I like how deep and dark they are because this collection is muted, and it's giving me a nice little bit of contrast that I do enjoy. Now, I also have, guys, it got so dark once I shut my blinds. Yikes. Okay, hopefully we can see everything. All right, so these little ticket things are awesome right here. Lovely works. Today works. Okay, I like these 2 to bring in about my daughter. And I always love these tickets that Simple Stories has. I think they're so perfect. Let's see. I know I want to put them where I can read the wordy bits. I think kind of like that. Perfect. Perfectly imperfect. The way I like things. Okay. Little adhesive here. Get our butterfly going. So it says lovely and today. Got butterflies going here and there. Like that one there. Waiting to see where those 2 want to go. They can make decisions as we go. Now, every little, ooh, I could put a little extra title. Rise and shine, this is your moment. I do like this every little thing. My only worry is that it's really light. Because I have this space. I don't have a plan for this. Ooh, let me see about this one. Hold on. How about this every little thing and you are loved, kind of, yeah, layered up. I like that. I also like using up whatever I can because we get so many goodies in our kits. And if you get both the double shot and the flavors of the month, you have 6 new collections to play with. So, hey, we've got to get working on some of these things. Okay, I am going to pretty much center that. Oh, but wait. Well, that made no sense. There's a sticker on one side. I'm going to use this little Frankenstein piece right here. Come on, little guy. Come off. Come off. There we go. So that sticks up just a little bit, and I think it's so cute. And I'm going to have it go on a little bit of an angle. Cute. And from there, I think, ooh, I'm going to get, do I want the blue one? Or no, definitely the blue one. Well, blue-y. It's not like it's bright blue. Put that right in the gap by this other little butterfly. And then I think this one down here would be pretty. Guys, this layout, it's so fun. The Freaky Fast Friday, like, I don't worry that much about which patterns I'm cutting. You know, you just kind of go for it. And it always works out. It does. So I kind of have buggies, buggies, buggies. Okay, in that cluster down here. Now, is there anything else we want on here? I don't know. I always love the wordy bits, but I have this, I have these words here. I have this label here. I don't know if there's anything small enough. Oh, the bee golden is kind of nifty. Ooh, the florals. Oh, how do you pick? Like, how do you pick all of the goodies? I wonder if Hello Love can get nestled in there. Yeah, it's cute. Let's get that on. Boop, boop. There we go. Right about there. Cute. It's cute. What else? What else? I mean, I kind of have it being butterfly, so that's why I'm not pulling lots of flowers off. I already feel like I have a lot going on. But I might be good. I think maybe just a couple of these cute little hearts. They're awesome. Here's one, here's one. Oh, and then here's like a nice, ooh, I like the bluey color too. So I have 3 different little hearts, and that might be enough to make me happy. Put one down there. Nope, can barely see that with that. Oh, that's pretty. I have a little nestling. Ooh, I don't like that little tiny bit of a dead space. All right, I'm going to just pop that right there. Keeps it interesting. Let's see. Let's go in with some more hearts because I am digging them. And yeah, so pretty much this is going to be completing this layout for mixing the kits using these gorgeous goodies from Simple Stories. I like it. It's a lot of fun. Lot of fun. Yep, yep. There we go there. Then I need some heart bits over here. And I found 2 that contrast nicely. And that will be wrapping this one up. So guys, I hope you're sharing what you're making with these kits on our Facebook group. I will have links for Facebook group. I'll have links down below for the blog. The blog. A little bit of layering there. Do I like it like that? Oh, I think I like it more down here because I have these different sticker bits. There we go. All right, that is this layout completed. I hope you like what I came up with. It is a gorgeous collection. Amazingly easy to work with once you start cutting into all of your little goodies. Okay, I'll have links down below for where you can get your hands on these kits, the blog, the Facebook group, all of the good stuff. Bye for now.